Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, your gateway to the epitome of luxury living in Punta Cana. Explore the charm of this stunning duplex villa for sale in Punta Cana, Bavaro. Starting at just $214,900, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa spans 1,604 square feet, offering a perfect blend of comfort and style. Exclusive beach access invites you to Seaside Serenity, while lush green areas surround the villa, creating a peaceful atmosphere. Tailor your oasis with optional features like a swimming pool, terrace, and even a maid's room. Indulge in gourmet delight with an imported modular kitchen and enjoy parking convenience with 2 dedicated spaces. Elevate your living experience with homes for sale in Punta Cana. Your dream Bavaro villa for sale awaits, a haven of comfort, style, and relaxation. Seamlessly transition into a new chapter of life by making this Costa Bavaro villa your forever home. Contact us today, and let's turn this villa into your dream home. Reserve your villa with just $5,000. The payment plan includes 10% within 15 days after signing the contract, 50% during construction, and the final 40% upon property delivery. Act now, and let the journey to your dream home begin.